Hey everyone, imagine this. You get expense data every month. You spend hours manually cleaning it, combining files and organizing them into a one master file. Then the next month you again repeat the whole process again. It sounds exhausting, right? Now watch this. I have this master data where I have my data till June, okay? And then I have this folder where I have my all the expense files until June. I'll just add more 2 months, which is August and July. I'll not do anything. I'll come to the Excel file and I'll just click on the refresh button and you will see that July and August are added. And it's not just added, it went through cleaning process. Like I wanted to remove zeros, I wanted to remove blanks, I wanted to remove few more things, I wanted to add extra column. It did all of that and gave me the data. And this is what exactly we are going to learn today with Power Query. It is going to be one of the most useful videos for your daily work, so don't miss out. Watch it till the end. Let us first understand the problem statement and then we'll start achieving it and making it automated. I have this Jan folder here, and every month whenever I get this kind of data, I need to clean the data. First, what I will do is for every file, I'll click on the amount and then I need to remove zeros, and any blanks are there, I need to remove that. First and second step is this, and then I remove all the cash advances, and then I'll add an extra column which will convert all the cards into card. Basically, if you see here, you have many cards here: MX card, Ghost card, CT card. I want it to write it as card only, and cash will be cash. So I need another column which will define that, and then I'll need another column which will say Jan, Feb, March data. So this is what I have to do every month. Now I'll automate this after doing only one time in my Jan 2025 folder. And now if you see this, we have two folders here: expense files and master data. Expense file will have all our files. Master data will have our one consolidated file after cleaning the data. Now I'll come to the new sheet. I'll come to data, get data from file, from folder. You know the folder is expense file. I'll just do one click. I'll say open. A new window will open now, and here I'll say combine and transform data, and now it will say which one we have to. So we'll click on the sheet one. This is our data. I will say okay, and now this will open in the Power Query editor window. This is our Power Query editor window, and this is where we'll first clean the data. Okay, so what were our steps? In the amount column, I don't want the zeros, I'll uncheck it. I don't want the blanks, which is null, I'll uncheck it. I'll say okay, and then I'll come to the payment through. I don't want the cash advances, I will say okay. And now I need to add two more columns. One column I already explained you, cash versus card I need. Okay, all this Ghost card, CT card, MX card should be converted into card. So for that I'll do click on the add column, new custom column, and the name of this will be payment type. Here we will add a simple if statement. Basically it will say if payment made through column has a cash, I need cash, otherwise whatever it is I need card. So whether it is MX, Ghost or City, I need it as card. And the formula comes like this: if payment made through is equal to cash, then I need cash only, else I need card. Wherever cash is not there, I need card. And if you see here, after typing this formula, it says no syntax error has been detected. And I will say okay. Now we got a new column, and if you see, Ghost card is written as card, cash is written as cash. This is what we wanted. And now I'll add another column. I'll name it as month, and here we will use a text before delimiter. Basically what it will do is, from this column name before the first delimiter, okay, this is our delimiter underscore. Understand, all the delimiters are like underscore, space, slash, all those are called as delimiters, and our delimiter in this situation is the underscore. So before the underscore I need all this information. For that I'll use a text before delimiter function. If you see here, what it does is, from this column it is extracting everything related to the underscore. So I'll just put underscore here and I'll say okay, and now you can see it has extracted the first three letters before the underscore delimiter. Now this is done. Now I can hide this because I don't want to show this. So I'll just do a right click and click on the remove. Even this step is added here. What all steps we did, everything is recorded here. And now after doing all these changes, if you see, we have removed zeros, blanks, we have removed cash advances, and we have added two extra columns which says cash and card and month. Okay, after doing everything, I'll just do file, close and load to table, new worksheet. I'll say okay. Here queries will run and 354 rows are loaded. Okay, and now before saving this file, I'll just remove this one because we don't need this. Okay, and now this is saved. Here we have our Jan data, and now below that we need other months. I have my Feb data and March data ready. Now if I open the Feb data, let me show you. I've not done any cleaning here. I have the same things. I have all the blanks, I have cash advances, I don't have those extra columns. Okay, so I'll close this. I'll just take my Feb and March, I'll say copy, and I will load into my expense file, which is after Jan. I'll come to my consolidated file and I'll just go to the data and click on the refresh button, and now you can see here the queries is running and it has automatically added the Feb and also the March. Okay, now this is how it is done very quickly. You have recorded first time, and for the rest of your months it will automatically do it. You don't have to do it again and again. Now here if you see, I need Jan, Feb, March, but it is here, it is taking alphabetical order. Even you can sort this very easily. Just do a click, sort to column, custom sort. Here you want to sort it by month because your month column is there, and you go to custom list. Here pre-built lists are already there. If you don't find any list which you want, you can add the entries here and add it. It will be added here. Now we need Jan, Feb, March, which is a pre-built entry. I'll say okay, and I'll say okay. And now you can see it is arranged Jan, Feb, March. Whenever I add a new data, April, May, June, it will be added down. So this is how it is done after cleaning the data. You don't have to do anything. After setting up for the first time, you don't have to do anything for the rest of your month. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and also share it. Thank you so much.